Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to manage the eye comfort mode or the night mode in this device. So we'll start with a shortcut, so you will be able to fastly turn it on and off, and after that I'll show you how to customize this mode. So in order to fastly turn on the eye comfort, we have to unroll this top bar fully. And here let's swipe in order to find the eye comfort. As you can see, it's right here. It is obviously turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on it. Let me pick always on. Okay, and as you can see, the screen turns yellowish and basically amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you use your device at night, then this mode will be totally for you. So right now it is turned on. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon again, and the screen gets back to its normal state. So that was the shortcut. So that was the fastest way to turn it on or off. And now let me show you how to customize it. So we have to enter the settings. Here let's find the display and brightness, and now let's enter the eye comfort. We have to turn it on before we will be able to customize it, and as you can see, we've got some options which we can personalize. So first of all, this switcher, which is responsible for the intensity of that feature, for the color temperature. By going to the left, we can make it low. So we've got kind of like cooler tones, and we can make it high. So as you can see, the screen is almost orange. Basically it is orange, not almost. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Just set it like you want to. We've got also the display effect. So here we've got the colors. So the device still displays the colors, but they are affected by this yellow filter. Or we can set it black and white, and it simply means everything will be monochromatic. It's up to you. I will stick with the colors. What is more, we can schedule that feature. We can turn it on, and basically you can pick the start and the end time, and your device will use those hours to turn on and off this mode. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn on and how to customize the eye comfort mode in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.